Hello, my name is Rivaldi Nova. Today, I will discuss about Timnas Indonesia. And wow, what a night for Indonesian football. Indonesia just beat Bahrain 1-0. I mean, this game had everything drama, energy, and that sweet about goal by Ole Romani in 24 minutes. Let's talk about it. Honestly, I didn't expect Indonesian to control the game like that. The defense was solid, the passing was clean, and the crowd crazy atmosphere. Really, really. You could feel that fire from the players. Everything about tackle, every run, they were fighting for the flag. Tactically, Indonesian look more confident than in the previous match. They pass high, didn't give Bahrain much space, and the teamwork really clicked. This is the kind of performance that builds hope for the future, especially heading into the next qualifiers. So yeah, Indonesian wins 1-0, and I'm loving this energy. What did you guys think of the match? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Who was your man of the match? For me, definitely Ola Romani, exactly. Garuda di dadaku, bro. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is part 2. Now, I want presentation about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express habits, general truths, repeat action, and fixed arrangement. It describes something that happens regularly, always, or is generally true. Simple present tense. There are several formulas for simple present tense. As subject plus verb plus object, use I, we, they, you plus like plus t, he, she, it plus likes plus t, subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus object, I plus don't plus like plus t, she plus doesn't plus like plus t, do or does plus subject plus verb plus object, do plus you plus do plus you or we or they or I plus like plus t, does plus he or she or it plus like plus t. Use it for facts, habitual action, things that don't or won't change, and describing yourself. Signal words, adverb of frequency like often, usually, sometimes, never. The verb to be is different. I plus am, I plus am, Australian. He or she or it plus is clever. You or we or they plus are nice. Next, simple present tense spelling rules. Most verb text s. in the third person singular. He or she or it. The first one, SSSHXO to be ES. I miss to be he misses. I finish to be finishes. I watch, he watches. I mix, he mixes. I go, he goes. A consonant plus Y to be IES. I study, he studies. I cry, he cries. I try, he tries. A vowel plus Y to be S. I play, he plays. I work, he works. I read, he reads. I cook, he cooks. Next, basic question words. What? What? Gitu. To ask about things. Why? To ask about a reason. Where? To ask about place. Where? Where are you? Who? To ask about a person or people. How? To ask about manner. Next, a positive sentence, subject plus verb one s or es or s plus object. Example: I play football every Sunday. In Indonesian, saya bermain sepak bola setiap hari Minggu. She plays the guitar. In Indonesian, dia perempuan bermain gitar. The sun rises in the east. Matahari terbit di timur. Negative sentence. Subject plus do plus does. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one plus object. I do not or don't like coffee. In Indonesian, saya tidak suka kopi. He does not or doesn't watch TV. In Indonesian, dia laki-laki tidak menonton TV. Next, interrogative sentence. Do or does plus subject plus verb one plus object. Do you study English every day? In Indonesian, apakah kamu belajar bahasa Inggris setiap hari? Does she live in Jakarta? In Indonesian, apakah dia tinggal di Jakarta? Next slide. Function. Hybrid habit or routine. A habit is something done continuously, continuously and consistently. Number two, general truth. General truth refers to general truth or absolute truth. This is means things whose truth is certain and generally known. Number three, fixed schedule or things that are already scheduled or guaranteed to happen. Fixed schedule are things that are scheduled but not repeat, guys. Number four, the last one, instruction. There are instruction which mean command or instruction. Example include the instruction boards we often see on the street. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. General truth example, the earth orbits the sun. Fixed schedule example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. Instruction, you open the book and the read page 1. Next, adverb of time, understanding. The time expression what we're going to discuss are also known as adverbs of frequency. Actually, time words are not always found in every simple present tense. However, sentences that use the time word list below are definitely in the simple present tense. Here's the list you should take note of. Time words. Selalu, it means always, jarang, seldom, rarely, sering, often, tidak pernah, never. All time words are placed after the subject of the sentence. Example, he never forget his smartphone. Characteristic Characteristic of simple present tense. Every English sentence has its own characteristic, and so does the simple present tense. Here are some its main its main feature. The predicate verb in a simple present tense use the bare infinite form. This means that for third person singular subject he, she, or it, the verb ends in s, as, or is. Number two, in verbal sentence, when making a question, you need to add do or does before the subject. Meanwhile, in non-verbal sentence, the question start with a to be verb am, are, or is. In negative sentence, you add do not, don't, or does, or not, doesn't. If the very originally ends with as, is, that ending must be removed after adding does, not, or doesn't. Conclusion. Conclusion about simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express habits, facts, general truths, and daily routine. Its basic pattern use the base form of the verb one for the subject. I, you, they, and adds s or as to the verb or as to the verb for he, she, it. Sorry. In editation, questions are formed using do or does at the beginning of the sentence, while negative sentence use do not or done or does not, doesn't. By understanding these patterns and rules, we can correctly form sentence in the simple present tense to describe regular active or things that are always true. Thank you. This is all for me. My name is Rivaldinova. Goodbye.